Hello, good morning or good afternoon whenever you're watching this. Welcome to a new episode of Ross Travels with Avril.
Hello.
Hello down there. So we are at the back of Castle Hill, which is Mollica Woods, but over in Huddersfield. So we haven't moved city like we do in other Ross Travels, but today we are basically going on a nature walk, and there's lots of cool scenery, like Avril. No one will get that reference, but from a classic video. Where are you going?
I saw something.
Ooh, what did you see?
There's a little flower.
Tell that frog to not smoke my pipe.
It's not.
Trees. Trees everywhere. Oh, Avril, it's a buttercup.
I love butter.
Let's see if it glows your chin.
I love butter.
Yeah, you like butter.
Yay!
What shall we do with it now?
You try.
Right.
You love butter.
I love butter. Woohoo! Onwards we go.
We all love
Rock
butter.
balancing. Hello. So we are currently walking on the path of rocks above the water river. I'm trying not to fall. It's like the aim of the game. Every time we come here on this river, we've got to balance from one rock to another, much like stepping stones. But you know, it's much harder because the water seems to have flooded the area since we last came, so it's taken stepping stones to a whole new level. Oh. Ooh, hardcore. Oh, a wired Avril shouts to me. Yeah? Hello? Right, we will finally be reunited wherever you are. Avril, we are finally together.
Ross,
Yes.
you know the fence, yeah?
The fence, yeah.
Why could it be blocked? Why could there be a fence there?
Probably because it's VIP area, so you know. But we are going to bypass that. We are the rebels. I'm going to say rebels then, that would make sense. Yes, Avril?
Look here.
Yeah.
Isn't electrocute now?
Oh, it's not an electric fence, just barbed wire. Meanwhile, Avril is trying to bypass the security gate. And I have got to find a way round the electric wire. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-doo, ba-da-ba-da-boom. Epic action music. Ba-da-ba-da-boom. Okay, come on. Little child, come here. Right here.
Oh, that's one idea.
Yeah, what's your idea? Oh, do you mean climb under the wire?
Yeah.
Shall we do it?
Yeah. I want to see the flowers.
The mission is on. Hello. So me and Avril didn't manage to bypass the barbed wire because it was just too far deep. It was just like a huge drop below, so you know. I mean, this isn't even zoomed in. Right, so I have a choice. I could either go back the way I came, or I could just carry on, taking a huge risk along a steep path with the river flowing below. But do you know what? Because I'm Ross Morehouse, I'm going to take that risk. I decided not to take that risk because I don't want to end up killing myself. But today it's actually really, really warm. So I'm going to head back to the main base, snatch a drink, and probably go the other way. So I'm not falling into a river and become soaking wet. Me and Meg here are
Hi,
gonna
I'm Megan.
climb over this. We're gonna attempt to
Ew, look
walk
at all those
across the
flies.
branch. Yeah, but flies, you
Ew.
can't blame them. It's what they do.
I don't
They
care.
poo and they eat each
They
other.
should die.
Should die. You should die.
Die!
No, you cannot say that. Dun 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 dun. I'm actually kind of, crapping myself. This is like the worst, bravest thing I've ever done today. Woo. Imagine if I just slip now. No more YouTube for me. Whoa. I think I might have actually crossed the bridge of death. Oh look, a hole. I know what to put in that. Dun 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 dun. Ah! Oh god, you're actually doing it.
They're taking my way.
Tell it to move. I said tell it to move, not can't kill it. I'm going to call Peter. I feel kind of paranoid because it looks like there's a man in a camouflage suit up there. I mean, it might not look like a man to you, but certainly making me paranoid. Ooh. Right, Apple is long gone, and now I am doing water walking with Jenny.
Megan.
Jenny, oh yeah, your name's Meg, I forgot that. Right, can we step there? Can we step there? No, that's a loose brick. Isn't everything loose these days?
I know you like it.
Ma?
Oh, yeah.
Whew. Sweating. It's a really hot day today. Hello. Oi, you're gonna get arrested now. Someone call Peter. Yeah, as I said, really hot weather. I think I'm gonna melt in a second. We are now heading to Castle Hill. Just a few miles to go. Whew, it's gonna be a long, tiring walk. So we are now back home. We did have a good time. It's been very tiring. My hair's quite sweaty. So I'm going to edit this when the internet is working because the modem, it was broke since this morning. So I've had literally no internet connection all day. So this will go to edit and then it will be uploaded to YouTube for you to observe and enjoy.